notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
Hey guys, so welcome back. The reason I've not been making a video in ages is because my views have gone down low. I'm just not getting that much support that I wanted to. So if you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and leave a lovely comment. So let's get started. So the things that you need is a glitter, a silver spray paint. I'm just using this one. I got this from, I think it was Pound Shop, and I've just got this from the second-hand shop and it was on sale for 49p. And then you need PVA glue, ruler, scissors, a small paintbrush, a pen and paper of your choice, and the last thing, a hot glue gun, and you can buy that on eBay. So let's get started. So get your A4 piece of paper, and these are just normal paper, it's not card paper, and fold it in half. And then afterwards, we're going to take this side, it could be any side to be honest, and we're just going to line it out with a pencil where we want the cut to be. So basically it's going to be there. And then get your scissors and cut there like so, and then do this for the second part as well. So this is what you should have so far. And then we're going to cut this middle part as well. So you should have 4 squared papers and 2 odd squared papers as well, with 1 A4 piece of paper. So we're going to go ahead and cut the rest of the piece of papers. So these are the odd piece of papers and this is a normal squared piece of paper that you need. Put this aside, and I've used 5 A4 pieces of papers. And then we're just going to get our hot glue gun and we're going to glue them to each end, like so. Okay, so after doing that, you're just going to get the curves and you're going to spray paint just the inside of it, just like that, just a little drop, just like that. And you're going to do that for the rest of them. And I've already done that with all of these. And And then the odd leaf squares that you had, you're going to do the same thing and join them together, and you can have these small pieces. So let's not mix all these up. So get the oddly small squares, and we're just going to get some PVA glue. And you're going to get your small brush and the glitter as well. Like so. And this is the small ones. Just get a little PVA glue and just dab on the inside. And we're going to apply just some glitter. Just like that. And you're only going to do this for the small ones. So this is what it's going to look like, but obviously this is what you see. Okay, so the next part, just get a round bowl and just do a circle. And this is just a cardboard that I'm using, and we're going to get our big pieces and we're going to get our hot glue gun, and we're going to start gluing them on.
Something wrong, mommy crying, daddy gone, wasn't me, nosebleeds, empty fridge, no groceries, teardrops running down my face, it's just one of those days. If you and me with me someday, I think the first thing you would say is something like, I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that it cannot change. I try to do the best that I can, to push it all away, but I would do it all again. I would do it all again, yeah. I would do it all again, and again, again. 99, flashing lights, don't move, hands up to the sky. What should I do? Just run away. The pistol's on me, but it's not mine, I say. It's like it's all falling out of place, but I see it much clearer now. I see it much clearer now, so much clearer now. I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that is cannot change. I try to do the best that I can, to push it all away, but I would do it all again. I would do it all again, yeah. I would do it all again and again. 99, flashing lights, don't move, hands up to the sky. What should I do? Just run away. The pistol's on me, but it's not mine, I say. It's like it's all falling out of place, but I see it much clearer now. I see it much clearer now, so much clearer now.
And again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song, they've been quiet all alone. I'm coming home.